Want to watch the uncut version? And early access of the next 2 or more episodes? All of it are now available on Patreon.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are watching Supernatural Season 14 Episode 7, and I am excited for this as usual, but at the same time I'm actually nervous because last episode ended with Jack. He collapsed and he's coughing blood and he's got nosebleed, so I'm actually worried about his condition, but I'm just hoping that he's gonna be fine and everything's gonna be okay at the end of this episode. Yeah, I'm just excited for this. Here we go.
You really should have helped me.
Oh, he's already dead.
So you brought this on yourself.
Oh my god.
Look, I will take some of your advice.
He's messed up. Oh no.
I don't know what's wrong with him.
But you can figure it out, right?
Oh.
Jack? Jack?
I don't. Oh no. What? He's foaming.
Family medical history. Let's start with the father.
Well, he's dead.
Cause of death?
Well.
He was stabbed through the heart and he exploded.
Okay, you know what? We don't have time for this, right? He's sick.
So he's been coughing, there's been blood.
Okay, gentlemen, you at least wait outside, please.
What's happened? Is he gonna be okay?
Oh, they're really worried.
Okay. Jack, we're right here. But I thought it'd be a vampire or a ghoul, not a freaking cough.
It's not just
He's
a cough.
kid. Hey.
Aww.
Cass. Doctor.
Jack's in total systemic failure.
What?
His body is in the process of shutting down.
No. We cannot lose him. We need
Let me ask you
a
a
lot
question.
of help. Call your friends.
longer
Someone
way to do
who would
How many more tests are gonna
Rowena,
My opinion? I think we're done here.
witches,
Yeah, it's kind of my opinion,
angels,
too.
I mean,
demons.
this place we tried, but...
I got to you as quick as I could. How is he?
Well,
I brought the Book of the Damned,
which, you stole.
which I borrowed amidst the ruckus of those folks arriving from the other world, but we can talk about that later. Just how sick
I'm
is
glad
he?
that she's here.
Yeah, about that. He's powerless now, and something's going on with him, and he might die.
Oh, splendid.
Oh,
The
my
sooner the
God.
better. From what I know of the father, the world will be better off without the son.
You might be right. I'm trying hard not to be like him.
Yeah.
They say such nice things about you.
They do?
You saved all of us from Apocalypse World.
Well,
Yeah.
that's true.
So, before you go, I just wanted to say thank you.
Hey, buddy.
Of course. She's gonna help.
Bollocks. When Jack's grace was taken from him, his being fell into chaos. The cells are gobbling each other up.
Well, if it's grace he needs, he can have mine.
Jack is part archangel and needs a much stronger force. And probably some kind of magic, and he needs it quick.
How quick?
I don't
What's happening to him?
exactly know.
Is he having a
Sometimes he
panic
gets
attack or
stunned, then
something?
His body will give way, and it'll be the end of him.
No, I won't accept that.
What I do know is I'm done being special. Before my life is over, I want to live it. Get a tan, or see a hockey game, and when it's all over, die.
So that's your plan, huh?
And I've spoken to some of the greatest minds in witchcraft, and they
Jack's
all say
already
that nothing will
gone.
help Jack.
Well, then they're not the greatest minds, are they?
Well, I just got off the phone with Ketch. He's got a line on a shaman.
We're taking baby for some exercise.
You think that's a good idea?
Yeah. Mom. Hey. How would you drive?
Dean, I don't drive.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, he lets him drive the Impala. I'm already tearing up. Oh my god. I don't want him dead, okay?
Whoa, let's keep it in between the lines. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
No.
What do you think?
It's like I'm you.
It's not.
Okay.
Eyes on the road.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, I like.
All right.
I love this. I love that. I love that scene.
You know, he's lost people. We've all lost people.
Yeah.
But,
This feels different.
Yeah. Jack is like a son to them
Losing,
now.
A son. Feels different.
What the fuck? What are they doing here? Oh, they went fishing?
Well, bait and beer. You are a cheap date.
You once told me you and your father did the exact same thing. What was your happiest memory of him? It was how you said it. I could tell.
And he likes to have this
I guess
memory
my
as
point
well
is that
with his dad.
if I don't make it, stuff I'd miss, it wouldn't be things like Tahiti or the Taj Mahal.
I can't stop crying.
I miss more time with you. I've had a good life, Dean.
It can be shocked out of its progression by a recharging agent. Think of it like you're rebooting a computer.
Really?
And
What if it's going to change him, you know? If they're going to reboot him or recharge him. What? What's that? It's an Archangel Grace.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Really?
Why did you run though?
Okay.
If your conscience are clear.
Scenario out for you.
If you're
one more
not
time.
hiding anything.
My ex-neighbor already said he saw someone coming out of my house the night of the murder. Your wife called the precinct. Thought she heard a prowler. And suddenly from out of nowhere, there's this guy.
There's this guy.
Said his name was Abraxas. The next thing I know, I'm back in the patrol car and I'm covered in blood.
Oh, demon. Demon. Possessed by a demon.
I was out of my head that night. I wouldn't kill anyone.
I know.
Oh, it's all a plan. Lucifer did order to kill.
I know. You were possessed. What? But this was the hand that murdered my family.
Shit. He's gonna chop it off.
No, please. Please.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So he was possessed. It's actually Lucifer.
I'm sorry, Frank.
Damn. Did it work?
Jack.
What?
Did you say the words right?
I did!
Jack. Say them again.
Of course we followed the instructions, and Rowena performed the spell exactly as written. Because of your harmonics.
And Science is sometimes trial and error.
What?
This was an experiment.
Oh my god.
You never said that. If Jack dies, I will find you.
Oh no. This didn't work. It's just worst.
Like doing these things.
Oh.
And I don't want to stop.
Oh my god. Shit.
I think it's how you first found me.
Uh-oh. This is from The Empty.
Help me.
Oh no. He's awake. Oh shit. That's exactly what happened to Cass, right?
Watch over him. Stay by his side. As he dies.
No. No. Oh my god, this episode. Oh. I like the bonding time between Jack and Dean. It just overwhelms my heart, and I got, you know, emotional by that. And of course, all of them just worried for him. He's like a son to them now, for them. And man, even Rowena helped. And we seek for this shaman's help, but it turns out that it's just an experiment, you know. What he told Castiel, and it worsened Jack. But Lucifer's back though. Well, he's not back, but he's awake, you know, because Nick prayed for him. So yeah, he's just gonna annoy whatever, I forgot that exactly what's the term, you know, because when an angel wake up, of course he woke up and he doesn't want to be wake up, and that's why he sent Castiel back on Earth so that he would be in peace. Oh my god, shit. I'm still wishing for Jack. He's gonna be fine, right? He's not gonna die. Maybe when Lucifer's gonna come back, he's got a change of heart, and I don't know. Okay, man. This one's good. I enjoy this and emotional. And I can't wait to watch the next one. So there you go, guys. This is Supernatural Season 14, Episode 7. Let me know your thoughts about this episode on the comment section below. And hit the thumbs up button if you love and like this reaction of this show. And please subscribe to my channel for reactions every week. And uncut version of this one is on my Patreon, as well as early access of the next 2 or more episodes. If you want to watch it right away, you can head into my page. Links of that is on the description below. And yeah, I'm just so thankful for all of you guys, for all of your support, and thank you for watching. For more reaction videos, just click here to subscribe.